Hello and welcome back to another video about Today we are back with another crypto video. Today is another revisit to Forbon. I just want to let you guys know what have it been doing since my last video. And to keep it quite simple, it's been printing. If we go to the main page and we scroll down to the graph, guys, it's actually looking pretty well. Like the chart is extremely healthy, and yeah, today I just wanted to say, with projects like these, when you have a bloody market going on, like for example with Pulsechain, you guys already know I'm really heavy on Pulsechain. It's really useful to have a passive income project that is kind of not reflective of the current state of the market, which is really great, right? Because no matter how bloody the market is, you're still printing money. This is why I really like passive income. This is why I really tell you guys about liquidity supplying, about farms, about this one, ROI dApps, and I'm gonna be making more videos of this, okay, more about liquidity supplying, about farming. And today is the highlight is on Forbon. I just want to say to you guys that this one has been working. I've withdrawn and I was able to withdraw fully. Like it's literally a quick button, click claim, and it comes straight to my wallet. No questions asked, nothing. So this is what I really liked. So yeah, today I'm going to be basically doing another stake around $200 worth, because my income, I'm making 2% a day. 2% of $200, that is $4 per day. I know it doesn't sound that much, but hey man, it adds up slowly, obviously, because you can rebond, or $4 invest in BNB. BNB is like what, around $260. By bull run market, this could go back to $500, $600, $800 plus. You never know, right? So yeah, it's different players, different player modes really here. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be investing my side, and I hope I have enough BNB. Yes, I do. All right, I'm going to click on stake, and as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you've been enjoying these type of videos. I've been getting a lot of subscribers, and I'm really happy and really grateful. So I really hope I am making good content to you guys, none of the ones that are filled with fake hype, just chilling stuff like that. I just want to keep it very level, very genuine to you guys, as if like you're someone who's next to me, not someone who's who I'm trying to be, I don't know, just fake to, right? I don't want to obviously talk about other people who do that, but I just reflect on myself and who I want to see, and that's the only person I compare to, right? I look at myself in the mirror. Is this really what I want to be doing? Do I feel good after making this video? And yes, I do. So I've been seeing a lot of your comments, and I really suggest you guys to enter my Telegram community, link in the description. The farmers community, we got 214 members, where people, like-minded people, like most certainly the people, if you're watching this video, this is a whole group full of people like you, okay, where we talk about different ways to make money. We talk about different projects that are bullish, okay, not in a weird way to shill and stuff like that. No, none of that. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, I have just bonded, as you guys can see, this one really interesting. So profit per day, and then there you go, there you have it. That's really great. And I just want to say, looking at the updates from Forbon, which by the way, they follow me, so shout out to Forbon as well. Their latest update is that they have passed the Forbon, what was it? They passed an audit by Spywolf, so that's really cool. So you guys can check it, go through them, oh, that's really good. There's no sell tax, so that's actually really great. Actually, something I didn't really know. But yeah, that's kind of it, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, I just wanted to say, with the bull run coming really soon, I heard, I've seen Bitcoin hitting 40k plus, right? The bull run now is going to come sooner than I personally think, and I'm not really ready for it, because I haven't done enough buying my bags that I'm really satisfiable with. You guys seen me make videos about Titan X. I still want to create more miners, and you guys know with the bull market, Ethereum is going to go up. Ethereum could be 3k plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8k worth, and what will that reflect? It would make the cost of miners more expensive. The same thing here, ladies and gentlemen, really, the BNB, right? Which is, I'm really happy actually. The BNB that I'm getting here is 0.2, right? That's not really attached to a value, because BNB could be worth $1,000, could be worth $300, $500. That's the investment here. This is what you have to think about. Do you want to delay your gratification, or do you just want to take your money now, cash it out, invest it somewhere else? It's really up to you guys. There's different type of players in this game, and yeah, I think Forbon welcomes all. And I just want to let you guys know, if you join with a 1 BNB or above, in deposit in the 4 bond, you will get an extra 3,000 FUD tokens. So you see this number right here, you get an extra 3,000, which is really, really nice. So yeah, that's the offer that I've been told to tell you guys, and it's pretty good. Like, liquidity is at 57,000. That's pretty nice, and this is the price. Imagine we see 1 FUD is equal to $1. You never know, really, right? But hey, listen, I've seen a lot of projects like, you know, the original Carol, the one on base chain has had a vulnerability attack, okay, and it is kind of scary, right? This is kind of the unfortunate consequence when you allow sales, which honestly, you know, I found a little bit questionable. But you know, obviously, for bond, I don't think anytime soon they're gonna allow sales. Absolutely not. I think this is the right way. You don't need to change something that's not broken. So yeah, that's my thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, you can join today as a member and join the DeFi Insiders. You know, that's a way to support your YouTuber DJ Khaled. But at the same time, I'm going to be giving you back that money that you spend in value of intel. Okay, the types of videos, which by the way, yesterday was my first ever video. It's going to be a weekly video that I talk about the bull run holds. And these bull run holds, I'm getting that information from whales. And soon enough, I'm going to get those whales to officially vouch for DeFi Insider, where you can actually see their names, which whales I'm talking about. But obviously right now, you know, with the whole thing with no non-financial advice, I'm not really pushing it that much. Because it's like, you know, I want to be endorsed, vouched, but not like, okay, this is 100x guaranteed, right? At the end of the day, we're all here adults. I'm just reviewing projects. This is mostly my literal crypto journey, because all the videos on DeFi Insider, right, which is members only exclusive videos, are literal things that I'm holding, bags that I've invested $200 that became $1,000 plus, and this is not even bull run yet. Anyways, I'm going to be making a video on my bull run holds are basically on Ethereum, BNB, you know, non-Pulsechain basically, because you know, obviously my channel is mainly in Pulsechain and I'm really bullish on Pulsechain. But for everything else, you got to be a member only, because the value is just so high from those whales that, you know, they bring us literally an accumulation of their experiences through bull runs, bear markets. So I think honestly it'll be only fair to put a paywall behind that, because to just respect the amount of information that I'm receiving here. Okay, and obviously it's a way to support me as well, but I do promise I will give you back that value in intel. You'll have the same intel that a whale has. I'm going to be relaying it to you guys. Okay, simple as that. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Join as a member today and join my Telegram link in the description. Go follow my Twitter as well and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know what you think of 4 bond, and yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care.